Everybody has a toolbox, but what happens when your toolbox isn't close at hand? I'm Nick Bolton, and I reach for this, the Tac Tool. Inspired by the multi-tools carried by smart military operators, the Tac Tool is packed with an entire toolbox worth of tools. To demonstrate, we set up our studio to put it to the test. First, a few jobs you might encounter in the field, like cutting wire fencing, adjusting a rifle scope, crimping a fishing lure, or preparing kindling. And hey, why haul out a big heavy toolbox when you could just use your Tac Tool? It can tighten any screw or hammer in a nail. And if you make a mistake, it's got you covered there too. Here's something I really love. The Tac Tool has both flat grip pliers and pipe grip pliers. Plus, check this out. There's a multi-size wrench that adjusts from 6 to 10 millimeter bolts. There's almost no job a Tac Tool can't tackle. And like all of our products, this one can survive the harshest conditions. Take a beating that would destroy other multi-tools. Let's go! It still takes on the most extreme tasks imaginable. Now that's what I call military tough. Add it all up, and our Tac Tool packs 16 useful tools you can carry with you anywhere. And it even has a little something for when the work is done. There's just nothing like it on the market today.
Tac Tool comes with a handy belt pouch, so it's always close at hand for all your heavy-duty jobs. Take yours to the checkout now.